on a second. What did you think about the ride?
It was great. And apparently, I've never been on live television before, but apparently sometimes I don't watch the news because I'm a kid, and apparently Grandpa just gives me the remote after we watch the Powerball.
It's the Powerball.
Tell me about the ride. What did you think about the ride?
Well, it was great.
Why?
Because apparently you're spinning around, and apparently every time you get dizzy,
Yeah.
that's all you do is get dizzy.
Is it fun?
Yeah. And I've never ever been on live television. I never ever be on live television.
Are you excited?
Yeah, and apparently I only went down the super slide. When I went down the one, I was scared half to death. I just freak out.
Okay.
What I need his name. Hold on. Yep. Hold on. I'm just gonna ask him. What's his name?
Noah.
Noah. What's your last name?
Deck Ritter.
How do you spell his last name?
Ritter, R-I-T-T-E-R.
Okay. And where are you guys from?
Wilkes-Barre.
Wilkes-Barre. All right, buddy. Good stuff.
Marge
Have fun.
Marge Unflack, come to security, there's a boy here looking for you.
Different
Marge
town.
Unflack,
All
come to
right.
security, there's a boy here
That
looking
is
for you.
my dad's town,
Yeah.
Tom Jersey.
Tom's different. You